Dear friends, today we are talking about a very common women's health issue that many feel shy to discuss: vaginal fungal infection, also known as a yeast infection. If you are dealing with itching, burning, or discomfort down there, this video is for you. Let's break it all down in a simple and helpful way. What is a vaginal fungal infection? A vaginal fungal infection happens when yeast, usually Candida, grows too much in the vagina. It's not dangerous, but it can be really irritating. What causes it? Several everyday things can trigger an overgrowth of yeast, such as antibiotics. They kill bad bacteria, but they also kill good bacteria that keep yeast in control. High estrogen levels, pregnancy, birth control pills, or hormone therapy may increase the risk. High blood sugar, women with uncontrolled diabetes are more prone. Tight or non-breathable clothing, moist and warm areas help the yeast to grow. Weakened immune system, illness or certain medications can make infections more likely. Scented products, scented pads, sprays or soaps can irritate the vagina. Symptoms of vaginal fungal infection. The signs are usually very clear. Common symptoms include intense itching in the vaginal area, burning sensation especially while peeing, redness and swelling around the vagina, thick white cottage cheese-like discharge, pain or discomfort during sex, soreness or irritation. If you notice these symptoms, it's likely a yeast infection. How it is diagnosed? The diagnosis of vaginal yeast infection is quick and easy. Most of the time, a doctor can diagnose it by asking about your symptoms and doing a simple vaginal swab. Treatment options. The good news is that yeast infections are treatable and usually clear fast. Mild yeast infections. Most of the mild yeast infections can be treated easily at home. You can use over-the-counter antifungal creams or suppository like clotrimazole, miconazole or terconazole etc. These usually come in 1-day, 3-day or 7-day treatments. Besides, doctors may also prescribe a single pill called fluconazole, which clears the infection from the inside. Severe or recurrent infections. If the infection is strong or keeps coming back, treatment may last longer. Sometimes your doctor may give you a 14-day treatment or a few fluconazole doses taken over several weeks. If you keep getting infections and you are sexually active, your partner might also need to be checked because yeast can sometimes pass back and forth. Prevention tips. A few simple habits can reduce the chances of future infections. These are as follows. Wear cotton underwear. Avoid tight leggings or non-breathable pants. Don't use scented soaps or feminine sprays. Change out of wet clothes quickly. Maintain good blood sugar levels. Keep the area dry and clean. When to see a doctor. Seek medical help if symptoms don't improve after OTC treatment, you get yeast infections often, you are pregnant, you are unsure if it's a yeast infection, you have fever, pelvic pain or unusual bleeding. This was all about yeast infection. Yeast infections are common, treatable and nothing to feel embarrassed about. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more clear and helpful health videos. Thank you for watching.